Great to meet you here at clip for our life cards. Life cards are cards that provide information about all kinds of aspects of your lifestyle and how your choices can influence how energetic you feel. These life cards are meant for people who want to discover how different lifestyle choices can increase their vitality. Use these life cards to find the right lifestyle for you. On one side of the cards, you will find interesting facts on a certain topic, and on the other side, calls for action with your turn tasks. There are cards in these 4 categories which can have 1, 2, or 3 stars, depending on how difficult the tasks are. Choose 2 or 3 cards from the set and place them where you need them, for example the fridge, your bedside table or desk. Try them for a week or more so you can really experience what a different choice may do to your vitality. Do the Vitality Quick Scan if you're not sure where to start. If you answer the questions with rarely, you can still take steps in this category and improve. The Master cards explain how behavioral change works. They will provide you with tips on how you can develop new habits, on how to handle relapse or disappointment. Remember, changing is not easy, it is done by trial and error. Through QR codes, you will get access to a list of links and websites and other resources. Is this the right time in your life to change your lifestyle? Do you have the time and energy to try new things and break routines, or can you create these conditions? If so, then go for it. If you have any questions, good resources for the website, fantastic examples for new life cards, or are topics missing, please email us at this address.
Warning: different lifestyle choices can improve your vitality.